How will my positive attitude help me and my friends in the future? It'll help me in my future because you be kind and positive, and you'll meet more friends. And the people you met will trust and believe you more. In school, when I have contests, I always be positive that I will. Also, when I play baseball, I always think positive that my team will win. And always be positive because if someone gets hurt and if they're bleeding, you can get a band-aid for them. And remember, when good or bad things happen, thinking positive will help you move forward and forward in the future. Will bring positive results, so you be always positive. Thank you.